Good morning, it's Tuesday, September 2nd, 2014. I'm just going to go get the mail. My mom wants to go to CVS and use a $2 coupon she has. Well, there was no mail. Looks like a garbage bin. Might be taking a week off. Well, my mom decided on a New Jersey trip. I forgot the part that I need to match up. Great. We're just going for her.
Yeah, that's what the store then.
Well, here we are at the CVS or Rite Aid or something. Rite Aid. Oh, she just wanted me to get some cleaning stuff. I'm looking for Scotch-Brite pads. And she wants some paper towels. We would have gone to the auto store, but I forgot my part to match up. Little clamp. God, my stomach's hurting and I'm beat today. I don't know why. It's crazy. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, these are better than the stuff she's been using because we've been getting mold in the kitchen for some reason. And they love these sponges, so not going to use them. Okay, my mom got 4 hot dogs for Robert, 3 for me and 1 for her, so it's like $20 too. Crazy. Well, we're on our way back home. Just saw a dead bear on the side of the road. I'm in Jersey still. Anyway, well, I'm gonna have to go to the auto store, get that clamp, a couple clamps. Look at like 4 of them, 3 of them. Oh, that's weird. We got a line of traffic here. Just started moving. Okay, now to take the garbage can in. We got paint all over ours on the inside. That's where I paint. The hose clamps I got aren't the right ones, but they'll work. Okay, I put one of the clamps on. It's not too bad. This is a brake air filter. I'm going to put this on. Man, everything's like so hard to get at. In here, it's ridiculous. Well, there's the hose side. One of the hose sides for the brake filter. Air line. I don't know where the other one connects to. That's weird. God, even the hose clamps are rusted. This is really weird. So they're supposed to be stainless. I'll have to replace that hose clamp. It's just unacceptable. Oh, this is aggravating as can be. It's weird, this rust comes out of nowhere. There's a clamp. Oh, I wish I could just pull this whole motor out, clean it up, and put it back in again. I don't see the other side of the hose. I have to go look at the air filter. Nah, no need. I see the neoprene hose for it right there from this angle. Oh my god. Alright. Okay, now that I knew where it was, I can actually get at it from this side. Yeah. Okay, that side's tight. An ornery thing, man. Try to get it on that hose from this angle. I don't know why I need two hands. I can't get them in there. I'm gonna try from the other side. You just can't do this stuff and stay clean. Okay, I got it pushed on there. I gotta put the clamp on. Okay, that's all back together. I think I'm gonna try to start it for the hell of it. Let's just see how it runs. This coolant level looks a little low. I'm gonna go get some antifreeze, put it in there. Okay, I pulled out the battery charger. It was just wishful thinking, but I guess I'm gonna give it another shot. This thing, it runs so nice till it heats up. I guess I'll let it warm up. See what happens. It shouldn't take long since it's like 90 degrees out. I was hoping that fuel filter would clean itself, the fuel system would clean itself out. Yeah, it's just dribbling. It looks like it's dribbling a little bit too. I know it's not supposed to do that. Let's see a lot of gas. Yeah, sure enough, it stalled out again. It's really bizarre. It's only when it heats up. And this thing's not. I don't know what else will change when it heats up. Bizarre. It's beautiful till it heats up. Well, I'll switch the injectors, but I really have a feeling that that's not the problem here. Okay, I'm going to pull the NAP sensor wire, see if it fixes this idle problem. If it does, I'll have to replace that. I may have a fuel problem, fuel pressure. Yeah, of course it's in there where it's hard to get at. I can get it though. I suspect these injectors may be good. And they have a fuel pressure problem. Starting to wonder if I have a bad fuel problem. They shut down the Valero gas station where I'd gotten this gas, and I wonder why. My mom's car had been running bad too. God. These engines are too complicated these days. Well, I guess I should replace these injectors. I don't know what else I can do right now. At least I theoretically know that they're good if they sold me the right ones. Aggravation. Alright, I'm going to get the Torx wrenches. I really hate, this is a real pain in the butt, putting this back together again, the regulator and whatnot. Just to give you an idea how hot it is. 102 in this van. Okay, I brought my other camera so I can make a how-to video with this. What I'm going to do is take that, the top part off that TBI system, and that way I can just pull out those injectors and replace them with these rebuilt injectors that I bought. And I really don't think these are going to be the problem, sadly. But I ordered a fuel line pressure tester kit, which I don't really know how I'm going to back these fuel lines off enough to, I guess I could take them off back there. I get enough play to test this. For fuel pressure, I really hope I don't have to pull the gas tank out and replace my fuel pump. It's getting expensive for all this crap. Alright, I'll just take this. Well, they seem to be running pretty good with the injectors. We'll just see how it works when it heats up a little. I still may have a fuel pressure problem. These ones are dripping too, but they're doing a lot better than the other ones were. What's left of the problem might be fuel pressure. Now we'll see how it stays running, you know. Let this heat up. I'll just test the EGR valve. Nah, it's true enough again. There it goes. It's either a map sensor or an EGR valve. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Well, at least injector problems are out of the equation. Crazy. Well, it's still running like crap. Alright, so I have to figure a way to test the fuel pressure and get that out of the equation. Things shouldn't be this temperamental. I plugged the EGR valve and it still isn't doing the right stuff.